Hi, let's take a look at this problem 19b that was on the exam but was not something that we were quite ready for yet. So you'll see it on the next one. What we want to do is be able to set these two sides equal to each other. Notice they're both common logarithms, so they're base 10. So it would be really nice to have log of something equaling log of something, because then we could just set those things equal to each other. One nice thing with logarithm properties is that we can combine the two expressions on the left-hand side together. And right now they're being combined through addition. So when we have addition, what we want to do is put these together with multiplication. So let me write that down. So we're going to have log of x minus 4 times x equals log of 5. Okay, and that was because we know that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus, well, it's supposed to be a plus, log of b. Alright, sorry my stylus is not the best, but hopefully you get the gist there. Alright, so on the left hand side, now we have log base 10 of x minus 4 times x is equal to log of 5. And now we can take away the logarithms from both sides. Okay, it's a one-to-one function. If they both have the same base and the things that their outcomes are equivalent, then we can say these same values are equivalent here and here. So I'm going to say that x minus 4 times x is equal to 5. Okay, and on the left-hand side, I can clean it up by doing some distributing. So I get x squared minus 4x is equal to 5. And hopefully you're recognizing, hey, this is a quadratic, right? And what I'd like to do with a quadratic is get everything to one side. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So my expression now here, my equation is x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And then we can clean this up a little bit. 4x. Okay, so quadratic. We've solved quadratics before. Hopefully no big deal. This one we could do through factoring. Okay, so two numbers that multiply to negative 5 and add to negative 4. Okay, multiply, make a negative 5, add to negative 4. So we need to have a positive 1 and a negative 5. Okay, and to be sure, you can always multiply those together and check. And this was supposed to be an x, and it just got a little bit silly. Okay, excellent. So our options are that x is either negative 1 or x is a positive 5. Okay, and then we can check our answers. So we go back up here to the beginning, and we want to check our answers in the original. So back to, let's rewrite that original expression, and let's write that we're going to make a check. And the big thing we're checking for is we don't want to take the log of a negative. Okay, so when we have our original expression, our original equation, sorry, is log of x minus 4 and this is plus log of x Oh. And this is equal to log of 5. Okay, so if I go ahead and take this -1 and I put it in for x here, and I also put it in for x here. So then I'm going to get, let's change colors, log, so -1 minus 4, -5. So log of -5 plus log of -1 is log of 5. Okay, so a couple big issues. We cannot take the log of a negative, and if I have -1 as my answer, I'm forced to do the log of -2 times in my original expression. Not going to work. So I want to check now with my second answer. So let's do this one in green here. How about? So I'm going to have log of 5 minus 4. So log of 1 plus log of 5 is equal to log of 5. Oh, it's supposed to be a log. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. Log. Okay. So that's our answer. This here, oh, wait, finish. Where you could check it. We could put this together and we'd have log of 1 times 5. So log of 5 is equal to log of 5. So that does check. So our answer is that x is equal to 5. So it's really important with this type to check your answer. Okay, I hope that helped a little, relieved some confusion.